welcome to the show. Our Chihuahua puppy is trying to sleep, so we cannot make another video with her. So, taking over the show is Joe and Noah and me, Crystal. Okay.
I'd act like a Chihuahua. I'm just too afraid the Chinese guy would probably try to eat me.
And there you heard it. I mean, there you seen it. I guess.
By the way, I'm not Chinese.
This is what's his face? What's his name?
Noah.
Noah. This is
Joe, but I'm not real Chinese. I like it.
$200. 50. 300.
And this is
Hey, wait a minute. Oh man, 50. 360. 800,000.
Chinese people, I'm kind of sorry for making fun of you, but do not turn off the camera. I'm really sorry. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. No, I'm not.
okay, watch this next time.
Hey, and I heard you ate chihuahuas. Post a comment and say, is that true? And remember, Chinese people, chihuahuas are nice. Cats are evil. Stop eating cats. They're healthy.
I said he's so sweet, think I wanna lick the rapper. So I let her lick the rapper. She say I'm like a lollipop. She say I'm like a lollipop. She say I'm like a lollipop. She say I'm